The Tokyo Olympics will be the hardest Olympics ever for the China teams. The hardest Olympics ever. The Chinese coaches are very stressed. Welcome back to Ping Sunday Table Tennis Tutorial every Sunday. Today I will answer many of your questions like why Su Xin is not selected for the men's single, why Zhou Qihao is not selected to go to Tokyo, why Liu Shiwen is not selected to play in the women's single, why Seng Jinsha is selected, or why Wang Jujin is substitute player but not Lin Gaoyuan or Zhou Qihao. The aim of China in the Tokyo Olympics. Liu Guoliang, the president of the Chinese Table Tennis Association, has made it clear that China aims for all 5 table tennis gold at the 2021 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. The biggest problem for China is there are so many good players. Who we should choose to go to Japan? China never lacks great players in table tennis, but it is never an easy decision. Who to choose? Consistency is the key. The Chinese table tennis legend Deng Yaping has a proposition. She said, "It is gonna be a hard call to make, choosing for the national team, because there are 2 standards to be considered. One is to pick the best players, and the other is to pick the most consistent players. In this case, consistency beats goodness." The voting system. The selection is very clear. The Chinese coaches have voted for the players. Special thanks to Jonathan Michel, who has helped me to translate the Chinese coach meeting.
今天我们按照选拔办法的要求，召开选拔领导工作小组会议，
公正、公平、公开地选拔出最值得信赖的运动员，去参加东京奥运会，在日本完成升国旗、奏国歌的光荣使命。所以也是希望我们这个专家3个老教练、3个奥运会大满贯的成员也。
So the voting is open. We will hear firstly the advice from the coaches and then the Grand Slam players.
有自己的判断，先听听你们的建议。
下面讲一下自己心目中的参赛人员建议名单。混双许昕、刘诗雯，女单陈梦、孙颖莎，男单马龙、樊振东。女团的名单：陈梦、孙颖莎、刘诗雯，皮卡王曼玉；男团马龙、樊振东、许昕，皮卡王楚钦。
男团我的名单是马龙这个樊振东和许昕。
我的选拔意见就是跟上述2位专家的一样，就是许昕跟刘诗雯是混双。我觉得这2个选手都是大赛经验丰富，双打能力超群。
几位前辈教练都说了这个名单，我个人完全同意。
我非常同意之前领导教练，包括队友的这个名单决定，这个就是我自己的名单的决定。
前面的老领导包括师姐的这个名单上非常赞同。
女单呢，现在是陈梦和孙颖莎。因为这2年陈梦可能相对会更稳定一些。
孙颖莎呢是这几年涌现出来一个非常有冲劲儿的队员。我在看她打比赛的时候，我感觉这个队员的打法特点非常的突出，就是整个节奏方面跟一般小孩不一样，而且她给人的感觉是用自己的节奏来打球，而不是特别慌乱，所以说明呢她的心态非常好。我给我的感觉就是无法复制。
Why Seng Jinsha but not Liu Shiwen? In the Tokyo Olympics, the main opponent of the China team is Mima Ito. They call this Olympics is the Mima Ito Olympics. This Olympic will happen in Tokyo, the homeland of Japan, so it is very hard, the most difficult Olympics for China team. 21 years old Seng Jinsha has been known for her aggressive way of playing. She is confident, decisive, and never afraid of confronting Japan Mima Ito, one of the major rivals for China. That is why she is chosen. Compared with Seng Jinsha, Cheng Meng has more complete skills. Sometimes she seems to lack confidence as well. The good news is that Cheng Meng has been improving. Her performance in recent competition is very good, at least for the moment. She is China's most reliable choice to take on Mima Ito. As for the two veterans, Liu Shiwen and Ding Ning, things are also different. Ding Ning has retired. Liu Shiwen can't win Mima Ito. Her performance is very bad recently. She is not consistent. Ding Ning and Chu Yuling all lost to Mima Ito in the Swedish Open in 2018. By contrast, Cheng Meng has never lost to Mima Ito, and Seng Jinsha claimed 5 wins over 6 matches against her. China's goal for table tennis in Tokyo is to win all 5 gold medals. For the men team, the Grand Slam winner Ma Long leads the Chinese men team, along with world number 1 Fan Zhendong and double specialist Su Xin. Wang Qujin is chosen as a substitute player. His performance recently is very good. Zhou Jihao is not selected. The winning score versus the international players is very important.
教练组经集体开会讨论研究，意见高度一致，6票全票通过。男子单打参赛人员名单是马龙、樊振东；团体参赛人员名单是马龙、樊振东、许昕。P 卡人员是王楚钦。
单打运动员陈梦近2年内获得了9个国际比赛冠军，3个国内比赛的冠军，世界杯和全国锦标赛首次获得冠军，并对主要对手伊藤美诚保持全胜。目前世界排名及奥运排名均是第1位。单打运动员孙颖莎，国际公开赛5个冠军，亚洲锦标赛女单冠军，国内19年全国锦标赛冠军，奥运模拟赛冠军，19年世界杯团体赛出任第1单打，并战胜伊藤，对伊藤取得了5胜1负的战绩。混双团体队员刘思文，19年世界锦标赛单打混双冠军，19年后出现了伤病，在各级领导的关心下，通过自己坚定的信念和努力，目前已恢复到可以参加奥运会的状态。但就目前的实际情况看，也经与他本人的沟通，目前他主要的精力还是应该放在混双上。
最终确定了由男队的许昕和女队的刘诗雯来配对。两人自从配对以来，获得了世锦赛、亚锦赛和4站国际公开赛的冠军。更重要的是，获得了在2019年中国郑州举行的国际乒联总决赛的冠军，并且拿到了奥运会的入场券。两个人的目前参赛总战绩是33胜1负。 两个人目前的奥运会混双世界排名是第1位。从目前两个人的竞技状态来看，还是非常不错的。在之前成都的训练和备战中，多次战胜男双的组合。我们混双的教练组也相信两个人一定会完成东京奥运会的比赛任务，为全队赢得开门红。
好，那首先我们现在对混双名单许昕、刘诗雯进行举手表决，
请投票。
好，谢谢各位，总共是14票，全票通过。
下面我们对奥运女单的报项陈梦、孙颖莎进行举手表决，请投票。好，谢谢各位，也是全票通过。
东京奥运会是一届完全不同的奥运会，有太多的不确定因素和未知挑战，未知的困难之多，都不是以往奥运会可以比拟和参考的。不要用以前的奥运经验来犯经验主义错误，做最困难的打算，给运动员更多的挑战，来增加球队的战斗力、凝聚力、向心力，不负国人的期望和大家的努力，能够在东京奥运会上捍卫国球的荣耀。
应该参加了这个会议啊，这个会议呢是在线上，应该说选出了大家都是心目中的人员啊。应该说从今天开始啊，应该打响了备战奥运的第一枪啊，第一炮啊。相信啊，中国乒协啊，在刘主席的带领下，在东京奥运会上，相信啊，一定会克服一切困难啊，去为国争光。
这个阵容啊，是一个3老带5新的这么一个阵容。我相信呢，就是在老队员的带领下，老队员还有起到稳定军心的作用。在他们的带领下，他们会逐渐的把这个自己的状态，包括心理状态都能保持一个比较好的状态。我相信他们能够完成任务。